video. So today we are playing Make a Hot Sauce Party. Be quiet. I'm Roland. Buy the tame seed first, okay? How to buy? Okay, I add buy. Now I need to plant. Be quiet. Add pepper. Please, yeah. 500 into 2. Okay. So 1K क्या चाहिए? Sell. Add. Bye, bye, bye. Hello, bye. Bye from me. Bye from me. Tame seed लेना ही नहीं. Tame seed is the worst. You have to plant it, bro. And the tame. Bro, why I'm getting only and only tame seed, bro? I'm getting just a tame seed. Bro, plant it. What didn't you do the tutorial? Call. Rudra came and saying no call. Chat. Banana pepper. What is this? Add pepper. Add into 2.5. Okay. I'll sell this hot sauce. Buy from me, buy from me. Best hot sauces. Thank you. Oh, 5K. I got painful seed. I got painful seed. It's very painful. Bro, you barely get any good seeds, bro. You have to upgrade it a lot. You will not get anything else but then. You have to increase your luck for that. I am also not getting anything. It's really hard to get. I got a Siriano pepper 23.5K heat, okay? Seed, bro, you could buy. Grow a garden, हमने quit कर रखी है actually. 38. Now I have 38K rupees. 28K now I have. Brother, you get after you get if you do like you need to upgrade your luck and you get it from you get good peppers from the thing itself if you get good pepper. I am getting tame who I will tame. Okay, this is not good. 2 minutes. Now I'll do the pepper upgrade. I'll add some things here. I'll add after some time. First, I'll pick up things. Oh, what is this? Okay. Heat 12 bell pepper. Bro, what is a bell pepper, bro? Bell pepper does not even have heat actually. I got 12.5k. Just luck. Buy from me, buy from me. Hot sauce डालो, hot sauce डालो. जय बाबा की, जय बाबा की, जय बाबा की, जय बाबा की. Banana pepper is nothing. I got a poblano pepper. I got a pepper, asilati pepper. I I got it. I got it when I was very new. I have 50,000 Tabasco. I have 50,000 Tabasco. I got 50,000 Tabasco pepper. In Tabasco pepper it was. I need to sell this hot sauce. Now I'll roll. Why I'm not getting something good, bro? How to get good stuff actually? This is only tame seed, tame seed, tame seed. Tame seed को. Why I cannot just buy stuff? Now I need 2 मिनट. इनके पीछे भी स्प्रिंकलर लगा देता हूँ. Bro, you can get good stuff. I got one in 50 at a time, but I skipped it. It's always the tame seed, bro. It's nothing else actually. It's like I'm taming something. Just the tame, 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 tame. What the hell? Ratatouille pepper, okay. 2.5k, that's not actually pretty much. It's not upgraded. I'll do it. 1 in 50 painful seed. Let's go. I got 1 in 50. Now we are talking. Now we are talking, bro. Now we are talking. Chale, beno, beno. What? What? Brother, I'll do something first. I'll do this. Now I'll do it. How I will get. What? By seed. Bro, click on the buy button. Click on the buy button. Brother. Brother, it is not to do a rejoin. You have to click on the thing like tame seed. It is written buy for $50. Buy $50. Click on that. Simple. Coming, everything coming. Yeah. I got a painful seed. Okay, another one. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take this pepper. Take this jalapeno. Tesla. I'll collect this as well. Okay, I'll collect. Okay, add the bell peppers. Now I have 18 point. Okay, I'll get the more multiplier. Okay, let's see what I'll get. Let's see 3.8. So it will be 69.7k. Okay. How to banish things, like how to do it, like remove things from your garden. How? Bro, you should know. Bro. Please, bro. Just and oh, I forgot. I can delete this plant. Okay. Now this will grow. I'll grow. Okay. I'll take this stuff. I'll take this as well. Roccotilite, jalapeno, penne, pabolano, bell, banana. Okay, it is a heat of 26k. I'll at least get the 3 multiplier. So it 4 multiplier, it will be 107k. Okay. Where is your base? Where is your base, bro? Oh my mouth. Somebody bite my stuff and said, my mouth is on fire. I'll buy this spicy cauldron. I'll buy this spicy cauldron. I'll make their mouth even more suffer. Haha. They'll. I have two painful seeds planted in my garden. I got spicy seed, 2.5 million. That's out of my budget a lot. No joke, only search, only search. Painful seed. Okay, I'll take it. Now I got painful seed, so I should delete this Tata Pata. What? Take, brother, upgrade your thing like what faster time, better chance. Upgrade it, please. Uh, I also need 83K. I got another painful seed. Okay. I'll collect some stuff now. I need to sell my stuff now, so I'll collect everything. Collect this pepper, collect pabulano, collect pabulano. 130,000 heat. Honey pepper, 130,000 heat. What? Yeah, yeah. I got it. Rudra has nothing in his base, bro. Okay, 65,000 canyoni pepper. So it would be worth it. I have a plan. I'll put this stuff in. My brother is stacking stuff. He has tame fruit in everything. He has tame fruit in everything, na. I have pain, brother. I have pain fruit in everything. He has that stuff in everything. Tame fruit. I I have pain fruit. Okay. He's not selling. He's just stacking everything. What happened, bro? What happened? Tell fast. What you got? Some 500. Now my heat multiplies 7.2K. I'll do it now. 240K. I'll get 300K. Then I'll get at least I got 725K. Okay, not bad. Bye bye bye. Buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. Bye bye bye. Come come. My throat is on fire, bro. It will be on fire, bro. What are you talking about? You at Mr. Raghav plot. It would be on fire. We give fire in your mouth. But I'll upgrade this plus one pepper. Now I'll upgrade everything. Now I'll roll 70K I have. I'll see if I get something good. I'll save. 70K. I'm getting nothing at all, bro. Fuck. Bro, you need to money to upgrade stuff, bro. Money is the most important thing in this game. Okay, Tabasco pepper 65,000. Not bad, not bad. Bro, Rudra is a strategist. He does not know to play the game normally. He just strategizes every game and try to be in front of every game. Bro, he takes too much strategy. We just play for fun, bro. We play for fun. He play to get ahead. He cannot bear. Bro, just AFK. Bro, just AFK 24/7, bro. Literal. Wow, bro. He's an effing idiot. Bye. Come, come. Bye, bye. Okay. Your. Thank you. Thank you for buying. Now I'll buy a water tank. It will be good now. I'll plant another pain fruit. Upgrade it. Bruh, please, bro. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, bro. Nah. Should I do the. Oh. Thank you, bro. I got another pain fruit. And now my garden will be full of pain fruits. Yeah. Huh? Why? How you only have one? You aren't upgrading your stuff? I get pain fruit every two rolls, I think. I'll put everything. I'll put this in, I'll put this in, I'll put this in it, I'll put this in, and I'll put this. Bro, bell pepper is the worst thing in this game, bro. I'll bring them down. Yeah, bro, it's good. Aleppo, I'll do it. If I get 12 into 12, it would be cool as hell, bro. Nah, bro. Into 1.827. He just like jealous and stuff. He just a newbie. Soul horses, okay. I'll do this. I'll take everything to at least four per, like, four peppers per plant. Now I'm growing four peppers to plant in everything. I'll roll. I got tame fruit, okay. Painful seed I don't need. Yes. This pimento. I'll take this. I'll need to move on to the next seed now because I do not have nothing to move on because I do not have the next one. Yeah. Bro, they look hot. Add some pimient pepper. I'll add five pimient pepper. Okay. Five poblano peppers. One espelette pepper. Two puya peppers. Okay. One sayara peru. One cayenne pepper. One bell pepper. Two Hungarian peppers. One jalapeno pepper. Okay. Jalapeno. You need to have the accent, bro. Into one, bro. What the hell, man? Make it up at least. So, not interested? Why? It's the best pepper you have ever seen, Namish. Been your okat? Said intro, not in. Hmm. I'll take this espresso. I'll take this black pepper. I'll take this bell pepper. 1 point. I got ghost pepper. I got ghost pepper. 1.3 million heat. Seed? Nee, no seed. I got just the thing. Yeah. It's literally, bro. How? It was a 0 point. I don't know how much. 0.0. Five poblano peppers. Why I'm getting five poblano peppers? Bro, this ghost pepper is something I'll add it in the last Tabasco pepper, okay? Rocotillo pepper. Bro, ghost pepper little 1 million eat, bro. Far. Hey, bro, one x. It would have been 7x, bro. That would have been crazy. Now we are focused. Now, now, okay. I'll got two. I have 2 million money. Okay, I have 2 million money. Now I'll wanted to do. Okay, so bye guys. I'll end the video here, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. But I cannot pause. I cannot end the video. Why I cannot end the video? I have to do something.